Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks for the headphones Skullcandy Rail. So let's starting. You have a voice control and you can enable it here, and you just say hey Skullcandy and make something. Let's say you can awake assistant, so it's really cool. Now you have transparency mode. It's called stay aware. On these headphones, you can also enable it and control the level of this mode. You have a bass boost. Go to equalizer, click on bass boost, and you have bass boost. I guess it's really cool. And also you have dual connection. Yeah, I like it also, and sometimes use it. But the most interesting things in these headphones is that you can make a photo with using your headphones. So just go here and choose it. I have it for a 1 second hold, and now if I go to the camera, I can just hold it for 1 second and make a photo. Yeah, and as you can see, I have a photo. It's really cool. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.